The new Reserve Bank governor has apologised to the finance minister for signing an international letter without first seeking advice. In an interview with 3 News, Breman also expressed concern about inflation rising to 3.1%, no longer within the central bank's target range. As Zane Small reports, the data is also worrying for businesses as rising costs limit discretionary spending.
For Sissima Inglis, selling clothing and gift items isn't so easy when customers are in short supply.
The number of tourists are less now, so we got less number of customers.
Sissima supervises retail store Global Culture on Queen Street in central Auckland, and she's noticed a change in spending habits.
They used to spend $100, now they could spend $50.
It's no surprise when the cost of living is on the rise. Official figures today show the inflation rate has risen for the 4th time in a row to 3.1%, driven mostly by higher prices for electricity, rents and local council rates.
I think council rates are too high.
After the COVID, all the price gone up and the power, water, rates, everything.
More than 80% of the categories that Statistics New Zealand measures saw price increases over the past year, the highest proportion of price increases recorded in 18 months.
Having inflation accelerate slightly to 3.1% is going to be worrying, not only for everyone who's of course paying more for everything, but also for the Reserve Bank.
That's because at 3.1%, the inflation rate is no longer within the central bank's target range of between 1 and 3%.
It's higher than we expected.
That presents a challenge for the new Reserve Bank governor, Breman, who now leads the committee that sets the benchmark for interest rates.
We want low and stable inflation because households are hurting when inflation is high. So we are looking to bring inflation towards 2%, which is the midpoint of the target band.
Doesn't mean that there is an immediate rates hike coming through, although I do expect the next couple of days financial markets will be expecting the official cash rate increase to come earlier.
Inflation remains a lot lower than it was, and I have confidence in the Reserve Bank on its delivery of its mandate to keep inflation under 3%.
But Nicola Willis seemed less confident in the Reserve Bank earlier this week when she gave Breman a public dressing down after the governor signed an international letter of support for the boss of America's central bank, who's facing legal action from Donald Trump.
She should have let me know that that statement was her intention, and she should have taken advice.
I completely agree with the finance minister and the foreign minister that I should have sought advice in this case. And I have actually reached out to them to say that I agree with them. I apologise for not reaching out.
But with inflation on the rise in an election year, it's likely the finance minister is more focused on convincing voters she's got a handle on the economy, just when it seemed to be turning a corner.